Hi, Tim here. Welcome to a new tutorial for the free and open source video editor Shotcut. This tutorial will show you how to make a cool 3D flying title. Create 4 new video tracks. Select background video and set the out point to 5 seconds. Add background video to track 1. Create a blank clip with a 5-second duration. Append the clip to track 4. Add a text symbol filter. Change the text to Nerdy Tim. Change color to white. Set the font to Folklore Bold and the font size to 200. Check Use Font Size. Select File Export Frame and save it to mask.png. Hide track 4, we don't need it anymore. Create a transparent clip with 5-second duration. Append the clip to track 3. Add a gradient filter. Set left color to red. Set right color to yellow. Set size to 10 and 200. Set position to 995 times 440. Add a mask from File Filter. Choose File Custom and add the mask.png from above. Add a size, position and rotate filter. Add a marker to 0 seconds and 3 seconds for easier navigation. Set the playhead to 3 seconds. Select keyframe view. Set the first simple keyframe. Move playhead to 0 seconds. Change zoom value to 0.1%. Add a lens correction filter. Set playhead to 3 seconds. Select keyframe view. Set the first simple keyframe. Set playhead to 0 seconds. Set the X center to 100%. Set the Y center to 0%. Set the correction at center to 100%. Set the correction at edges to 100%. Copy the clip on track tree and append it on the track below. Edit the gradient filter. Set type to radial. Set the left color to white. Set the right color to black. Set the size to 1700 and 1300. Set position to 110 and -440. Add a size, position and rotate filter above the one already there. Set the eye position to 8. Add a blur box filter. Set width and height to 5 pixels. Add an on-pre-multiply alpha filter. Now we have created our 3D flying title. This is the end of this tutorial. Hope you liked it and learned something. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.